That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Although most eyes were focused on the moon landing in the 60s, NASA was also beginning to explore Mars from space.
The Mariner 2 countdown begins.
Starting in 1965, NASA began sending orbiters like Mariner and Viking to gather close-up images and data. 30 years later, the first Mars exploration rover was launched. On July 4th, 1997, the Mars Pathfinder lander and the Sojourner rover successfully landed on Mars. The small, 25-pound, six-wheeled rover, only designed to last a week, would end up spending 83 days capturing 550 pictures and taking atmospheric measurements from the planet's surface. In 2004, twin rovers Spirit and Opportunity landed, a few weeks apart and in different locations. These rovers were about the size of a golf cart, weighing 400 pounds each, and had the same mission: to understand the evolution of Mars and see if liquid water ever existed there. Spirit stopped communicating in 2010, but Opportunity lived well beyond expectations until it stalled in a dust storm 14 years later.
Liftoff of the Atlas V with Curiosity.
In 2012, NASA launched a larger and more technologically advanced rover. It's about the size of a Mini Cooper, weighs 2,000 pounds, and is equipped with 17 cameras and lab-like tools and instruments. Curiosity is still active today, in search of evidence that Mars is, or ever was, capable of sustaining microbial life. In the summer of 2020, the rover Perseverance will join its predecessors on the Red Planet. Perseverance is similar to Curiosity, but with upgrades like camera zoom capability and a drill for collecting rock and soil samples. The rover will also have the ability to conduct an oxygen-making experiment. And another first, a helicopter scout named Ingenuity will hitch a ride with Perseverance and take its first test flight in the Mars atmosphere. All paving the way to one day putting humans on Mars.